Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready. Your Apple ID is signed in and you have the email, password, and any server info on hand. Once done, open Settings, scroll to Mail, and tap Accounts. This starts the setup flow. You'll choose Add Account, then pick the email, provider, or other. Make sure to act now. Don't skip provider selection, because it determines whether iOS auto-configures or requires manual server entries. You now add the account. If you pick a listed provider, iOS verifies automatically. Enter email and password, tap Next, and wait for verification. If you choose Other, select Add Mail Account and type name, address, password, and description. Then configure a map or POP and enter incoming/outgoing server host names, ports, and SSL choices. Make sure to use the correct ports and SSL settings. Incorrect values block sync. Once validated, choose what to sync. You finish by opening the Mail app and letting it sync your folders. Patience matters for large mailboxes. Then confirm fetch or push settings. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, Fetch New Data, and pick a schedule you want. If mail doesn't appear, recheck the password and server details, ensure SSL and port numbers match provider specs, and try toggling airplane mode or restarting the device. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.